Good morning, chat. It is like 7 in the morning, but we are about to head to Cars and Coffee, so we got her all set up, bro. Yes, sir. You already know we got the 360 on. Yes, sir. About to get some clips today, y'all. Aren't we, Timmy?
Yeah.
So let's get right to it, y'all. Let's get right to it. Let's get a cold start here. Timmy's gonna record. Good, chat.
Alright, chat. Today, we have a special video for you guys. Right here is a box of goodies, okay? Today we are installing Catless Midpipes on the fucking Scat Pack 392 Daytona Edition Red Eye, bro. Alright? Never done this before, but we are gonna figure it out. So let's do a little unboxing for y'all. Ooh, those are tough, bro. Those are tough, bro.
What's down at the bottom?
It's the clamps.
Oh.
Ooh, Chad. Hopefully it fits, though. I will tell you all that, bro.
That's what your thing is.
Yeah, those two sensors.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. But I'm hoping it fits with my, because I have a board leg exhaust, so I'm hoping that it goes on right. So we'll see, bro. But yeah, these are it, man. I guess I'll lay them out.
Here, lay them on that thing.
Lay them on what?
Okay, so you lay them on that.
That's okay. It isn't much.
You don't want to see them, I guess, anyway.
Ooh, bruh. Just like that, bro. I really hope that's the layout, bro. Yeah, we gotta jack this shit up too, real quick. But yeah, chat. Catless Midpipes. Shout out to I can't reach it, bro. Shout out to Cornerstone Performance. This is where I got these from. This is 6.2 and 6.4, so like I guess they go on. You can either get it for, you could get the same set for the Scat Pack or Hellcat. I believe it is 3-inch exhaust also. So hell yeah. But I do have a board leg exhaust, so I'm really scared right now if this is gonna work. Because if not, if it doesn't directly fit, then I'm probably gonna have to take it to a muffler shop and I'll have to probably weld them on. So, but I want it to be a bolt-on so that I can take them off if I wanted to, you know, because I am getting a supercharger put on it. So I would like it to tone it down if I need to, but always faster with Catless, so we'll see how it goes here. All right, chat. So I'll set the all right, we're gonna set the phone up. Probably do a little time lapse of us getting the car jacked up and on jack stands here, and we'll go from there. Let's get this thing started, man. It took 2 days, bro, but we are finally catless, bro. Shit about to be crazy, bro. I'm about to flash the tune. I put advanced burbles. I got the underground tune, obviously. Stage 2, advanced burbles. All right, so let's see what this sound like. Oh, shit. What y'all think, bro? What y'all think it's gonna sound like, bro? It's gonna be autumn, like, so good. Shot, bro. Oh my, you gotta get out of the garage, bro. Oh my god. That shit sounds insane, bro. Oh my god, that shit claps, bro. Oh god. Chat, it's the next day. Obviously, we're officially catless, but we're gonna get some pulls for you guys. In this, we also got the 360 on. 360? Okay. Y'all see. Okay, you didn't have to do. Okay. Anyways. Cameraman malfunctions. It's okay. Timmy's behind the camera, and we're gonna get some pulls while we go grab some food real quick. Gonna hop on the highway, get some catless pulls for y'all. I'm trying to also get a friend to help me. I'm gonna get some outside POVs also from a different perspective. Anyways, if we have to use our street, we'll use our street. All right. So catless clips coming right up. Let's get it right to it.
Sir.
Sounds good, chat. Just turning the camera on so y'all can see here. Making sure here. Whew, chat, she sounds good as shit. Dead gum, chat. That shit sounds so good. Pushes P, chat. Hey, she pushes P, bro. Damn. Now it may look slow on video because I have seen POV drives and stuff with scats, bro, and it does look slow, but I mean, it's moving, bro, okay? It ain't no Hellcat, I understand that, but hey, we're moving too, okay? Woo!
That was loud.